As I described it in my statement, I'm very pleased and grateful to have this opportunity to be your president, and I think that I have a proven record of what can be done. I'm not going to tell you to fight the fight that we're not going to win. I'm going to tell you we're going to fight the fight that we're going to win, the one that we have won. Not totally, of course, in San Francisco. I got to tell you, San Francisco City College is at the top. If you look at it, we're at the top in terms of how part timers are treated, and we got the probably the best healthcare benefit. We are this close to be a pro rata 100%. I need to bring this to the national level. It's possible. It's doable. And I know we can do it together and united, and I'm more than willing. I'm highly motivated right now and enthusiastic about. And above all, to me, it's a disgrace that we have allowed this to happen throughout the years. Uh, how can we have 70% of our faculty being part timers and 30% full timers? How can we have most of our brothers and sisters faculty across the nation going from one college to another, crossing freeways, driving for hours? And I know some cases in which we have some faculty members who drive more than what they are teaching. This is despicable. We have to fight it. To me, it's illegal. Just right there. And how we're gonna do that? Of course, we're gonna go to our brothers and sisters, our members of Congress, if it's possible. We'll go to Washington. We're gonna go to the where the decision making process is happening, and we are going to be very present in this fight. And I think that is doable and is winnable.